All right, so next we have 17, where we have 16 to the power of 3 over 4. So remember that when we have a fraction, the denominator goes to the front, and we would have a fourth root and then 16 to the power of 3. So we first do the 16 to the power of 3, which would give us fourth root of 4,096. Now the fourth root of 4,096, we're going to put that into a calculator and we will get 8. All right, so moving on to number 19. What we want to do is we want to subtract this, and to do that, we need to make sure that the square roots match. So we want to simplify these, and so 8 we'll be able to split it into a square root of 4 and a square root of 2. And 32 can be split into a square root of 16 and a square root of 2. So now we take the square root of 4, that's 2 square root of 2, minus square root of 16, which is 4 square root of 2. So now that the square roots match, we can just subtract them. So 2 minus 4, which would be negative 2 square root of 2. And finally, number 21, which says that we're going to rationalize the denominator. So what that means is that we cannot have a square root on the denominator. So what we're going to do is we are going to multiply square root of 2 to the top and the bottom. And now when we multiply, it's the same thing as just saying 3 times 2. And on the bottom, we're going to have 2 times 2. So we're left with square root of 6 on top and square root of 4 on the bottom. We still have the square root, but now it's a perfect square. So if we take the square root, then we can't simplify the top, so we're just going to leave it as square root of 6. And on the bottom, we're going to take the square root of 4, which is 2. And now our denominator is rationalized.